Welcome to my video series, The Building Process to a New Home, Video 3. Today we will be discussing the preparation for the interior design appointment. At this point, you have selected your home, your floor plans, and your upgrades. The first recommendation is to visit the model homes one more time before the appointment. This will refresh your memory. While you're in the models, take photos and take notes of all the things you like and would like to have in the home. If you have time before the interior design appointment, visit home sites that have higher end designs to your home. No matter what price point you are building at, beautiful homes are always an inspiration for new ideas. I would also make sure that you keep all your appointments with the builder, especially the interior design appointments. Usually they're about 2 to 3, depending on the size of the home and the price point. Remember, canceling an appointment will only delay build-out times. Materials cannot be ordered and construction cannot begin until all the selections have been made. Now, once you have finalized all your selections, both for the interior and exterior, ask the designer to stage each room with the sample selection pieces. Then take photos of each sample room selection. This will be your insurance for peace of mind and for reference as you go along the building process. The key here is to ensure that what you selected in the home is placed correctly without delays and errors in construction. Also, walk the property at least once a week once construction has begun, especially for the interior where all the selections and details are coming together. Correct anything that's not right immediately. Notify the builder or contact the interior designer. Find out the process for communication. Usually the builder is the person you communicate with first. The key here is to not wait. You do not want the builder to waste time, money, and materials on the wrong items. This will result in longer build-out times. Most of the time they get it right, but human error can cause some mistakes. Remember, a home has a million little pieces that come together in new construction. I hope this helps and was informative. Thank you for joining me today in my video series, The Building Process to a New Home. Thank you for watching.